place your bets. All set, ready to race, and the race is on. White ball by Darrell rushing up, Ninang Mill and Fair Queen on the outside. Cut, racing in fourth, rushing up is entry number 1, Red Herwin. It's now White Ball, followed by Empire Queen on the outside. And moving up is Ninang Mill, Jaren Song, Dragon Lady. It's now Empire Queen from the outside, followed by White Ball. And racing in third, Jaren Song, Ninang Mill, Dragon Lady, Cut. Rushing up on the outside is Mutual Fans to Garbage Shine again. And inside the last 600, Empire Queen by half a length, followed by Dragon Ball, Jaren Song. Racing on the outside is Dragon Lady. Under further outside, Mutual Fans. Cut, Ninang Mill and Shine again. Is still running in 9th position as they race the final corner. White Ball, Empire Queen down on the inside. And on the further outside is Mutual Fans. Dragon Lady is now the leader, followed by White Ball. Mutual Fans on the outside. Dragon Lady, Mutual Fans on the outside. Dragon Lady, Mutual Fans still on the outside. But still Dragon Lady winning this race. Second, Mutual Fans, White Ball, Shine again. Cut, Pentapecta.
6 ang unang tumawid sa linya.